In today's video, we embark on an enlightening exploration of manifestation and the universe's intricate role in guiding our spiritual journey. Inspired by Dolores Cannon's profound teachings on cosmic influence and spiritual growth, we delve into how the universe tests us on our path to achieving our deepest desires. Cannon's philosophy emphasizes the importance of active participation in our spiritual development. Recognizing and interpreting the universe's tests isn't a passive experience. It's a dynamic process of engagement with the cosmic forces that guide us. This understanding allows us to navigate our journey with greater awareness and purpose, transforming potential stumbling blocks into stepping stones of growth and fulfillment. Join us on this enlightening journey as we explore the signs that the universe is testing us, guiding us closer to our manifestation. Sign 1. The need to give something up. When the universe is aligning your path to manifestation, a pivotal sign often emerges: the necessity to relinquish something. This concept is deeply rooted in the principle of out with the old and in with the new, highlighting a fundamental truth about life's cycles and transformations. Cannon, in her exploration of spiritual dynamics, encapsulated this idea by saying, "In the economy of the universe, letting go is the exchange that creates growth. It's the surrender that brings abundance." This perspective underlines the significance of release as a transformative process, integral to the journey of manifestation. This sign additionally aligns with the law of giving and receiving, which posits that in order to gain something of value, there must be a willingness to let go of something else. The nature of this something varies greatly among individuals. It could manifest as physical entities like money, a job, or long-standing friendships. Alternatively, it might involve more intangible aspects like time, energy, and personal effort. When you're faced with a situation that requires you to give something up, it's a clear indicator that the universe is testing your capacity for release. This test is not just about the act of letting go, but is also a measure of your faith in the universe's plan and your adaptability to change. It challenges the conventional understanding of need and attachment, urging you to trust in the flow of life. The key lesson here is trust. Trust that when you contribute something to the world with positive intentions, whether it's material or not, the universe will return it to you in manifold ways. It's an exercise in understanding the balance of give and take, and recognizing that sometimes the act of giving up something can open doors to new blessings and opportunities that are more aligned with your true path and ultimate manifestations. Sign 2. Glimpse and removal. This is where the universe briefly reveals a hint of what you are destined to manifest, only to seemingly withdraw it shortly after. This experience aligns closely with Cannon's concept of temporary glimpses into our potential futures. She suggests that these fleeting insights are more than mere teases. They are profound glimpses into what could be, provided we align ourselves correctly with our spiritual paths. This phenomenon acts as a compelling reminder that our current reality is not fixed, but is in constant flux, influenced by our actions and thoughts. The rationale behind this enigmatic experience is not to dishearten us, but to serve as a catalyst for personal and spiritual development. It mirrors Cannon's views on life as a series of intricate lessons and abundant opportunities for growth. When the universe presents us with a glimpse and removal, it's essentially nudging us to reevaluate and refine our strategies and approaches towards our goals. This event serves as a wake-up call, reminding us that the path to our true desires may require more than just wanting. It demands active engagement and a willingness to adapt and learn. This sign, while momentarily disconcerting, is a powerful encouragement for introspection and strategy refinement. It resonates deeply with Cannon's teachings on self-evolution and spiritual progression. This process involves looking inward, assessing our current strategies, beliefs, and behaviors, and determining whether they are in alignment with our ultimate goals. It's about recognizing that our journey to manifestation is not just about achieving an external goal, but also about internal growth and evolution. By embracing this sign and using it as an opportunity for self-reflection and recalibration, we align more closely with our true purpose and the universe's plan for us, thereby moving a step closer to manifesting our desires. Sign 3. Sudden and challenging situations. In your journey towards manifestation, the universe often orchestrates sudden and challenging situations that are integral to your soul's growth and progression. These situations, while appearing as unexpected disruptions or obstacles, are in truth purposefully designed tests. Canon's teachings emphasize that life's challenges are not mere setbacks, but crucial elements for the evolution of the soul. These sudden changes, whether they manifest as job loss, unexpected injuries, or financial difficulties, are not random occurrences. They are deliberate, orchestrated experiences tailored to your unique journey, preparing you for what you are striving to manifest. From Canon's perspective, each of these hurdles, especially those that appear abruptly, presents an invaluable opportunity for development. They are meant to test and strengthen your beliefs, goals, and faith in yourself and the universe. These challenges should not be viewed as mere deterrents but as vital components of the staircase leading to your manifestation. The suddenness of these situations forces you to adapt quickly, thereby enhancing your ability to stay open-minded and flexible. They ensure that once you reach your goal, you are fully prepared to embrace and sustain it. Every obstacle overcome, particularly those that catch you off guard, adds a layer to your spiritual and personal growth, aligning you closer with the vibration of your desired outcome. Developing resilience in the face of these sudden and challenging situations is crucial. Remember, the universe only presents you with challenges it believes you are capable of handling. These tests are not just barriers, but are also teachers, each with a valuable lesson essential for your journey towards manifestation. By building resilience and staying open-minded, you not only overcome these obstacles, but also emerge stronger and more capable, ready to receive your manifestation with open arms and an enlightened perspective. Sign 4. Naysayers and haters. In the journey of manifestation, encountering judgment from others is an additional hurdle, one that parallels the challenge of dealing with naysayers and haters. This judgment, often manifested as criticism or questioning of your goals and desires, serves as a tool the universe uses to help you understand and solidify your beliefs and aspirations. Similar to Dolores Cannon's observations on external resistance, these critical voices are not mere obstacles, but essential components of your spiritual growth, forcing you to confront and reaffirm your convictions. This encounter with judgment, much like the skepticism posed by naysayers, is a significant part of your spiritual test. It's an indicator that what you are pursuing holds substantial value and impact. Canon's teaching suggests that the path to any significant achievement is seldom smooth and often marked by increased challenges as one nears their goal, akin to the heightened difficulty encountered in the final stages of a video game. In facing this judgment, it's crucial to use these moments as stepping stones, transforming them into opportunities for self-reflection and growth. Unless the criticism is a direct consequence of your actions, view these judgments as a compass pointing you towards areas of personal development. Unless the criticism is a direct consequence of your actions, view these judgments as a compass pointing you towards areas of personal development. Remember, if life were devoid of such challenges, it would lack depth, growth, and purpose. The teachings emphasize the importance of personal conviction in the face of adversity, suggesting that facing judgment should reinforce, not diminish, your focus and determination. When others become overly critical, it's a sign to double down on your focus and continue moving forward. The universe often presents distractions in various forms, including through fleeting encounters with others. Recognizing these distractions and staying grounded is vital. Shift your energy to maintain balance and keep your eyes on your goals. These moments of judgment and criticism are not just tests of your resilience, but are assurances from the universe that you're on a path of significance. Embracing this perspective aligns with teachings on overcoming external resistance, reinforcing the belief that every challenge is a stepping stone to greater personal and spiritual achievement. Sign 5. Experience of loss. An often overlooked but integral part of the manifestation process is the experience of loss. This can range from the loss of relationships, jobs, or even old beliefs and habits. Dolores Cannon's perspective on loss is enlightening in this context. She views it as a transformative tool, essential for spiritual rebirth and growth. According to Cannon, these losses are not mere misfortunes but significant milestones in the soul's journey, paving the way for greater realizations and achievements. Loss, in the grand scheme of manifestation, serves as a powerful mechanism for cleansing outdated energies or situations from our lives. It creates a vacuum, an empty space that can then be filled with new, more aligned energies and experiences. This echoes Cannon's notion of continual spiritual renewal, where loss is not an end but a transition, a necessary clearing of the old to make way for the new. By removing what no longer serves us or aligns with our higher purpose, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and paths that are in closer harmony with our true aspirations and potential. In these moments of loss, the importance of faith and trust in the universe's plan becomes paramount. It requires a deep-seated belief that the universe is guiding us towards something better, even when the immediate circumstances seem contrary. The teachings we've explored encourage a deep trust in the cosmic journey, instilling a conviction that every experience, particularly loss, is a step toward a greater good. Holding on to this faith can be challenging, but it is crucial for navigating through these difficult periods. The universe often works in mysterious ways, and what appears as loss may be the universe's method of realigning us with our true path. Embracing this perspective requires patience and trust, but it ultimately leads to a richer, more fulfilling spiritual journey, resonant with Cannon's teachings on the transformative power of trust and faith in the cosmic plan. Sign 6. Letting go. In the grand design of the universe, the act of letting go emerges as a profound and often challenging sign. Change, by its very nature, can be difficult and even traumatic, leading us to a point where we have no option but to release our hold. This letting go can pertain to a wide array of attachments, from people and places to material possessions, and even memories or habits that no longer contribute to our happiness. Letting go serves as a release from the old baggage, reminding us of a fundamental truth. We cannot control everything, nor can we hold on to everything forever. The impermanence of life is a crucial lesson in this process. In the words of Dolores Cannon, "In the art of letting go, we find the true freedom of our spirit. It's the necessary release that propels us towards our true destiny." This insight sheds light on the transformative power of releasing what no longer serves us. By embracing this concept, we open ourselves to new possibilities and alignments that are more in tune with our soul's journey. When changes come abruptly, shaking the very foundations of our stability, the universe is prompting us to trust in the journey, even when we cannot see the destination. These moments demand a surrender to the flow of life, a trust that despite the uncertainty and fear, we are being guided and looked after. The universe's nudge towards letting go isn't to create chaos, but to foster a deeper level of faith within us, a faith that is essential for becoming wiser and stronger. Consider a scenario where life throws a curveball, such as the loss of a job. Instead of clinging to the loss and dwelling in negativity, embracing the art of letting go and moving forward is what aligns us with the universe's rhythm. This is the essence of going with the flow, being present, accepting what is, and allowing life to unfold. Such moments teach us that life cannot always be meticulously planned and encourage us to live more fully in the present moment. When the pace of life seems to accelerate and we feel as though we're falling behind, It's a sign from the universe to trust that we're moving in the right direction. It's a reminder that ultimately, everything will work out in our favor. The process of letting go, challenging as it may be, is a powerful catalyst for personal growth, pushing us to develop a resilience and faith that enriches our journey and prepares us for the wonders that lie ahead on our path. Sign 7. Glimpse and observation. In the intricate dance of manifestation, the universe often engages in a subtle yet significant act, granting a glimpse of the desired manifestation and then observing your response. This is akin to receiving a fragment of your dream, a small yet potent sign that what you've been longing for is on its way. Dolores Cannon, with her profound understanding of the universe as an active observer and guide, would describe this as a moment of cosmic interaction. The universe is not a passive backdrop, but an engaged, responsive entity that provides these glimpses as a way to gauge your readiness and reaction. Each fragment presented to you is a test, an opportunity to demonstrate how you handle and value even the minor successes on your path. This aligns with Cannon's teachings on appreciating every step of your spiritual journey. It's in these moments that you're invited to show your readiness for the full manifestation. How you react to these fragments, whether with gratitude, patience, and understanding, or with frustration and impatience, sends a clear message back to the universe about your preparedness for what's to come. To navigate this stage effectively, it's essential to embrace gratitude and conscious living. Recognize and express thankfulness for these small blessings. This can be done through daily gratitude practices, journaling, or simply taking a moment to acknowledge and appreciate these glimpses. Additionally, manage these blessings responsibly. If it's a fragment of a greater financial goal, for example, handle it with the same care and wisdom you would the full amount. By showing gratitude and responsibility, you align yourself more closely with the vibration of your full manifestation, signaling to the universe your readiness to receive and cherish it in its entirety. As we conclude today's enlightening exploration, we are reminded of the intricate and beautiful dance between our desires and the universe's guidance. As we journey forward, let us hold on to the key lessons shared today: the importance of trust in the face of change, the value of gratitude for even the smallest signs from the universe, and the strength that comes from embracing each challenge with resilience and open-mindedness. These are not just steps towards achieving our desires, but are transformative processes that shape us into wiser, stronger, and more aligned beings. Remember, each experience is a piece of the puzzle, leading you closer to your true destiny. Embrace these moments, learn from them, and trust in the universe's grand design for your life. With this mindset, you are not only journeying towards your desires, but also evolving into the best version of yourself, ready to receive all the wonders that life has in store.